Hello, this is me, Ali Raza. I'm a Google Ads, Facebook Ads, and Bing Ads certified advertising professional as well as an owner of a Google Party company. So today I am here with you know a new video. So let's get started on the question I have today regarding Google Ads for roofing. But before I start, in case if you need a professional help with Google Ads, me and my team can help you. You can hire us through the link in the description. So let's get started on the question I have today regarding the Google Ads for roofing. So really losing my patience running ads for a roofing company in Google Ads. 6K means 6 grand or $6,000. Spend in ad spend only 38 conversions. Spending leads to a landing page with an offer. Almost half of those conversions are workers looking for jobs, but are coming in through search terms like best roofer near me, roofer company near me. Okay, so I think you have two, concerns over here. First of all, you got less conversion, and the second is the quality of the conversion is not good. So let's first of all address the issue of, wrong. The people are not right. People are coming through the conversion. Not right people are coming through the conversions. Okay. So this usually happens, when there is an issue with ad copy. you know People get confused. Okay, that is one of the very razor, a big concern when people get confused. So your ad copy do not clearly explain what do you offer. You need to work out on your ad copy. And the second is, look on your keywords. Okay, you maybe have how you're targeting best roofer near me. If you're using a broad match, you are doing a blunder, you are doing a mass blunder. But in case if you're doing a phrase match, best roofer near me, and still in case if you are having an issue like people are applying for the job, then you may need to look around on search terms to exactly figure out. Also, I suggest you to use different tools such as spyfu or different tools to get analysis of what your competitors are doing on. Even I can write over here best roofers in New York, and I can get an idea of the companies working. I can grab the competitors, so I can get a lot of information over here. So I can do a, okay, best roofers near me. I can get data based on my location as well. I can see roofing contractors near me. I can look around on contractors. That could be a better uh, keyword for me. Rather, best roofing near me. I can change it to best roofing contractor near me, and that can help you. Also, it may be that you need to install click fraud. That sometimes it's you know competitors clicking on your ad, so click fraud can help you in sorting out those issues and error as well. So if I look around on the keywords, you can see that I get an ample of data of keywords, similar keywords. I feel like roofer contractors is a more reliable keyword, so I can try it out as well. I need to figure out roofer company. I need to look around on my ad copy, see my ad copy versus this roofing company. There may be a confusion. Your ad may be confusing and inviting people to join your company as a job. You may be like, you can work with us, and the people get confused. Or working with us means it's apply to the job, but rather it's working like it's a business generation offer. So there it could be an ad copy error. It could be wrong keyword selection error. So for those issues, you need to come up with an improved ad campaign structure plus improved ad copies. Also, I'm not sure, how your landing page is being built on and how people are still getting confused and clicking out. So improve your landing page copy as well. Your landing page copy as well. Look on your competitors on what they are doing. That can also help you. Competitors can teach you a lot. So your competitors, look around, like I told you over here, how we can look around at the competitor keywords, that we can get new ideas, their ad copies, their landing pages. We can figure out their landing pages through this, and find out how they are working around. So we can get a lot of data over here and see how it's working around. And you can see over here like this one. You can see over here that we can see this is the link of the page. And we can see over here that how their landing page copy is being built. So we can see over here, and then compare it with our own landing page. So I feel like the conversion form is missing over here, but the Google rating is over here. That is a good thing. One thing bad on this is that I want the lead form without even scrolling. That is a bad thing, not available here. The good thing is the Google rating is an attractive thing over here. So we can review the landing pages as well to see, there could be an issue over here, and that could help us out in improving our ad copies, our landing pages. So after this, it's more about analytical performance, your search queries, targeted locations, how you're working, wherever they are working. You can spend more money on the right conversions, right areas, right timings, right days, and get the maximum out of it. So it all matters. This also, you can post case studies of clients on social media and integrate with their website, and that can also help you in increasing more customers for your roofing business. So yeah, I hope I shared few ideas which you may like, and can get it. But again, in case if you need a detailed audit, in case if you or the audience needs a detailed audit for roofing company or any of the Google Ads campaign management team can help you with Google Ads, Facebook Ads, Bing Ads, SEO. So we can have work with you guys. You can hire us through the link in the description, and we look forward to working with you. Thank you for watching. And still, in case you have any questions left, you are more than welcome to write in the comments of this video. Make sure to subscribe to my channel. And again, in case if you need our services, you can hire us through the link in the description. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.